Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Remitly. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Remitly application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account, you will see the login button. Go ahead and click on it and you will be asked to enter your credentials. Just type in your email address within the email address box and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot password button and you will be allowed to reset your credentials for your account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on the Remitly application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.